The Bible says, "Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be opened to you."
Put a bay leaf in your wallet and see what happens. Why put bay leaves in your wallet? Bay leaf in ancient times was used to attract money, prosperity and wealth. Especially in Roman times where they used laurel wreaths to symbolize and attract prosperity to empires. In this case, what we need is 4 bay leaves. It doesn't matter if they are fresh or dry. The bay leaf in ancient times was also used to help fertility, to help attract good energy and also to attract clients to businesses. But in this case we are only going to use it to attract abundance and money. You will also need a red ribbon, some money, and the wallet you normally use. What you should do is simply place a bay leaf in your wallet, where you always put the money, and leave it there forever. Once the bay leaf is in place, you close it and always carry it with you. In the event that it rots, you can change it for another bay leaf. You can also do the same in your purse. You open your purse and place the bay leaf and leave it there. But there is also another way to do this, and it is more powerful. You have to place the 4 bay leaves together like this. Join the 4 leaves, and then wrap them with the red ribbon. The red ribbon is a tool which has been used since ancient times and which helps with positive energy. Do it to ward off envy and attract good luck. Once you have this string tied like this with the bay leaves, you will do the same procedure. Place that inside your wallet. Simply put it there and you keep it there. It is going to help you with prosperity, bringing more money, and abundance. That means that as long as it is there, you will not lack work, you will not lack money, you will not lack abundance. And it will help to potentiate your work so that you generate more income. Do not hesitate to do these little tricks because they will help you a lot. As I always tell you, you have to have an open mind. It is the most important thing to believe in this and do it with faith. That's all. I hope this video helps you. Remember that you can subscribe to my channel, share and like the video. Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.